All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's take a look at what's happening with Kaspa. Let's put Kaspa aside for a second. Look at the markets. We're seeing once again a lot of green across the board. Bitcoin still holding above $27,000, which is really exciting to see. So we will definitely take that. But now let's take a look at what exactly is happening with Kaspa. As far as Kaspa is concerned on the daily time frame, it's up 3%, but we saw Kaspa making some massive moves yesterday, so we're going to be discussing what exactly is next for the price. And of course, on the weekly time frame, we know that it's up 18.3% on the weekly time frame. But if we're looking at the price right now, as of September 19th, it's at 4.95 cents. So, almost at 5 cents right now, up 2.7% in USD comparative, also up 0.1% in Bitcoin comparative. Looking at its market cap, it's sitting above $1 billion mark, which is really exciting to see. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $14.3 million. So not bad at all. Not bad at all. And I expect, in my personal opinion, that prices are going to start moving even more higher for Kaspa in the upcoming days ahead of us. But before we get into the price, I just have a massive announcement, and that is I have created a new channel, and it's called ZX Post. And on this channel, I'm going to be strictly posting just latest daily crypto news. So I don't want to mix things up. I want to keep things organized. So on my channel, it's going to be forecast analysis videos. And regarding news, latest and greatest news, that is going to be posted on this channel that I have just mentioned, which is called ZX Post. Link in the description. Please take 20 seconds out of your time and go subscribe. Turn your bell icon on. And if we're able to reach 500 subscribers by the end of the week, I will do a giveaway, and that giveaway will be on that channel. So stay tuned for that. And the giveaway will be $100 USDT for one lucky winner. So now let's get right in today's topic, see what is happening, where we could be going in the immediate short term. But as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at Kaspa, guys, it continues to shock me. Kaspa is continue to send shockwaves, not only within the crypto space, but we're seeing institutions also showing attention to it. There was an article, I can't find it anymore, but it was one of the institutional investors that was saying that Kaspa is one of the projects that looks quite interesting. So that shows that the hype on Kaspa is so much that a lot of people are starting to hear this, and the coverage has gotten way more. You never saw some influencer even talk about Kaspa a few weeks back, but everyone is hopping on the bandwagon because they know Kaspa is trending. So if we're looking at the price, you can see a few times now the price has retested that 5 cents mark. We were at 5 cents yesterday, but we really never managed to break out of there, especially towards an all-time high, which again goes back to what I've said, psychological price points. People are trying to keep the price of Kaspa down here, especially the whales. They're trying to manipulate it, trying to get the weak hands out of the way, but the momentum is just too high. The buy orders for Kaspa are just way too high right now, and it's really hard for the whales to keep the price of Kaspa down right now. And I'm expecting in the next few days to come that we will be heading to a newer all-time high for Kaspa, and it could potentially even be today, to be quite frank with you guys, especially if Bitcoin is able to go back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. Bitcoin is showing strength now. Of course, we're not seeing weakness anymore, so I will say that is a positive thing, because Bitcoin is continuing to break. We did hit a new daily high at $27,483, and I would like to see Bitcoin break back into the 61.8. I really think this could give us a confirmation that things are starting to see a reversal, especially if BTC is able to get its way back above $28,757. So what does that mean for Kaspa? You guys can see this for yourself. We're seeing this sideways movement happening, pretty much a consolidation phase, and Kaspa is finding some resistance around this level. But I am expecting the time is coming to an end. This consolidation phase is coming to an end. We will pop out to a new all-time high, and 6 cents to 6.5 cents still remains the target. I'm seeing thousands of comments coming in on my old videos, new videos regarding Kaspa. People are saying that Kaspa is on its way to, you know, a 30 to even 40x from these current levels, which puts it at, you know, top 10 market valuation. You know, if you look at the technology, yes, it's quite unique. It's open source. But, you know, remember, the competition still exists for Kaspa, and that's something that you do not want to be ignoring. Yes, it's really hyped. It is the hype project of the year, without a doubt, you know, making massive gains for a lot of investors. A lot of investors have become millionaires already. But remember, there's things that you need to keep in mind. Right now, of course, it's hyped up. But, of course, maybe, you know, at the peak of the bull market or leading up to the bull market, you know, people are going to start taking significant profits. And that is where you want to be locking in those profits, guys. And if you are new to the market, you might not really know, but the other projects, guys, topped out and they have plummeted quite a bit. So if you do not want to see your massive gains gone, then have an exit strategy. Go ahead right now while you have time. Start making exit strategies for yourself, because that is really important thing for you to follow. Without an exit strategy, you know, you kind of left somewhere stranded. You don't really know where to lock in profits. Greed can get to us. At the end of the day, we're humans. And, you know, if we're seeing, you know, a price go up 30x, we're going to think, oh, you know what, why would we sell now? It can go up another 30x. Well, with that mentality, you will get burnt out. So you want to time the market perfectly. This is where you want to be doing your research, where you want to be locking in profits. Have an exit strategy. Put that in front of your computer. Put that on your wall and follow that exit strategy at all costs. So, you know, of course, as far as Kaspa is concerned, you know, on the shorter time scale, mega bullish, and you know, I think we will see a new all-time high, if not this week, maybe early next week. But I think there is a chance that we could potentially be seeing an all-time high very soon, considering the momentum. Of course, you know, the fact that the price has held this well around here, I think it just needs a little bit of a push. And especially if BTC is able to make a little bit of a bounce back into the 61.8, I really think Kaspa can start moving as well. So what are your personal thoughts? You know, where could you see the price of Kaspa going at the end of the year? I want to know from you guys. So let me know in the comment section where you could see Kaspa heading to in 2023 December. So at the end of, right before the year comes to an end, what will be the price of Kaspa? Of course, let me know in the comment section as always, and let me know what your strategy is. Of course, where would you be locking in profits? Are you in for the long haul? Where do you see Kaspa compared to its competitors? Do you think Kaspa is the best tech out there right now? Let me know as always in the comment section. But with that said, guys, thank you so much for your support. Continue supporting, and do follow me on my new channel. And of course, 500 subscribers, we will do a giveaway for all the viewers. So stay tuned on that channel for that. But with that said, I'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.